Hi, beautiful viewers. We are here in JA Jamaica peeling the local point, and I must say it is so sweet. Yeah. So always remember, support the local when you're in Jamaica. Remember, it's important to support the local. Okay? Go into the market and don't buy from the supermarket always. Okay? You'll get some beautiful pine in the market, and you're supporting the local farmers. Okay? They need your support. Alright, so today we are jerking and just having a blessed first day of 2024. Ooh, smelling lovely. Look at that, guys. In JA Jamaica, we are jerking up some chicken in the garden, and it looks and smells delicious. So my brother is doing the jerk today. Look at that close up, guys. Juicy. It's gonna be better than those in the in the jerk center. Yeah, it's absolutely gonna be better. Yeah, smelling good. 2 days of season, and and the red striped bear. Look at that, guys. The red striped bear. That's how you do it in JA Jamaica. That's how you do it. Yeah. You want a jerk? Get your red striped bear. So that's what we're doing, and we are in the garden just jerking up today. The sun is cooler now. It's in the evening and it's much cooler, so it's a good time to jerk your chicken while the weather is so cool and nice. The sun was out, but it's not out at this time, but we are doing what we have to do. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Look at the sky. I'm not sure if it's gonna rain. It feels like it's gonna rain, but it's winter. It's Jamaican winter, so I'm not sure if it's gonna rain. So yeah, peeling pine and jerking, and we're gonna do some gungo rice, yeah, with the jerk. So we're having brown rice with gungo peas, and the gungo is already cooked. So we have some spring onion and thyme. Spring onion and thyme. So we are cutting up some coconut from the garden to get some coconut milk for the gungo. Peas with rice. So this is what we're doing right now. And Sharon is eating them all because they're very sweet. And you can hear my mouth. It is actually chewing because I am also eating it out. It's very sweet. Nansho, it seems like it's gonna rain. Look at those makeup for me. Just here? So we have put the rice now with the gungo peas and the milk. Let's check what the jerk chicken looks like.
Juicy and
nice. Make it to eat with a piece of bread. It must be juicy and nice on the bread.
the chicken and toasty out. Turn.
Best jerk chicken in Kissing Town, in St. Catherine, in Spanish Town. Let me taste it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Jerk up the chicken.
It's we are cooking.
Yep. No oil, no chemical, coal fire. And it's out in the beautiful atmosphere.